If you've forgotten your Facebook password, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover it step by step in a simple and safe way. This is a quick method you can use if you still have access to your email or phone number, and it can help you get back into your account with confusion or stress. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open the Facebook login page on your browser or mobile device. You should see the regular sign-in screen where you normally enter your email and password. Since you don't remember the password, look for the option that says Forgot Password and tap or click it. This is the starting point for the account recovery process. Next, Facebook will ask you to enter the email address or phone number that you use for your account. Type in the information carefully so Facebook can find the correct profile. If you have more than one email address or phone number, use the one that is linked to your Facebook account. Once you've entered it, continue to the next step. Now Facebook will show you one or more accounts that match the information you entered. Take a moment to select your account from the list. It's important to choose the right one, especially if you have multiple accounts or share a device with someone else. After selecting your account, Facebook will move you to the verification step. At this point, you'll need to choose your verification method. Usually, Facebook gives you options like sending a code by text message or by email. Pick the method that you still have access to. If your phone number is active, OTP by text is often the fastest choice. If you can access your email more easily, you can use that instead. Select the option and request the code. After that, check your phone inbox or email inbox for the recovery code from Facebook. It may take a few moments to arrive, so be patient, and also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Once you receive the code, go back to Facebook and enter it exactly as shown. Make sure you type it correctly so the verification works the first time. When the code is accepted, Facebook will let you create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure it's something you can remember. A good password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type the new password carefully, then confirm it by entering it again if Facebook asks you to do that. Once your new password is set, click or tap the option to confirm and log in. Facebook should now allow you back into your account with your new password. After you're signed in, take a moment to make sure everything looks normal and that your account is working properly. And that's it, you've successfully recovered your Facebook password. As a final tip, if you're already back in your account, it's a smart idea to review your security settings, update your recovery email or phone number if needed, and turn on extra security features like two-factor authentication. That can make it much easier to recover your account in the future and keep it safer overall. If this video helped you recover your Facebook password, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.